Hello, my name is Mark Pulver, and I am proud to be a member of Autism Tree Project Foundation. I am so grateful to be here with you all. I wrote a book called Living Life with Autism, The World Through My Eyes, to help inspire others with disabilities with the trying times that I went through before these resources of today were available. I made it through with inner desire and hard work, and you can too, especially with all the resources that are available now. I want to talk about ATPF because ATPF is a safe place to converse with others as far as triumphs and adversities, and a vehicle in which we can implement ways to coexist and be proactive in helping others with disabilities for a better life. ATPF is an avenue to connect with people and advocate ideas for a better life. As far as people with disabilities, we need to change the image that we are at a disadvantage. We are gifted. Bullying will not be accepted or tolerated anymore in any way, shape, or form. Society shuns people with disabilities, but we all are one people. There is hope for everybody, and no one should be discriminated against. We need to all live in one world under one nation. We are equal. Be mindful, be aware and negativities of others, but at the same time, be creative, be adventurous, and be bold. Don't be afraid to stick up for yourself and go for whatever your passion in life is in life. Autism is not a death sentence. It is a roadblock, but I want to encourage people and give them hope. Don't be afraid to try new things or of other people judging you. If you keep trying and working hard, you can do anything. Everything you need is inside of you. Don't pretend to be somebody that you're not. Don't ever try to impress someone by hyping yourself up to be something you're not. If people don't like you for who you are, then maybe they're not worth your energy. Go out, express yourself, live your life, and share your life with others. And don't be afraid that others won't like you. Be yourself in front of others and be real. Be true to your true persona and your true identity. Everybody deserves to be loved and wanted and needed. Autism Tree Foundation is a place where people get together to talk about their ideas, dreams, goals, and adversity. It is a safe place where one can express themselves and not worried about criticism from others. It is also a way to implement new ideas and new goals for achievement, to get along in life and to strive and thrive in the community and society and enhance each other's life to do positive and great things in this world. ATPF is a venue where we can come together and implement our dreams and goals. So let's work together to achieve our dreams. Thank you all for listening.